Today, we are in one of the most charming seaside villages in the southeast of Ireland, Dunmore East in County Waterford. A place where rugged cliffs meet calm blue waters, where fishing boats gently rock in the harbour, and where every corner feels like a postcard. As we begin our journey, we take a scenic road trip into Dunmore East. The drive itself is breathtaking. Winding coastal roads, green Irish countryside, and sudden glimpses of the Atlantic Ocean appearing between the hills. The closer we get to the village, the more the scenery transforms. Quiet countryside turns into a vibrant seaside escape. The village is peaceful, colourful, and full of life. Small cottages, local cafes, and friendly streets instantly give you that warm Irish coastal feeling. Dunmore East isn't just about beaches and coastal charm. From time to time, enormous cruise ships can be seen offshore, making this small Irish village feel connected to the wider world. Here, fishing boats and yachts sit calmly on the water. The sound of seagulls, the smell of the sea breeze, and the gentle waves create a truly relaxing atmosphere. This harbour has a strong fishing heritage, and you can still feel that traditional Irish coastal life in every direction. Dunmore East Beach is small but absolutely stunning. Golden sand, rocky cliffs, and crystal clear water make it one of the most peaceful coastal spots in Waterford. Families walk along the shore, kids play near the water, and some brave souls even dip into the cold Atlantic Sea. From the beach, we explore more of the village life. You'll find cozy cafes, seafood restaurants, and classic Irish fast food spots serving fresh fish and chips. A must-try when you're here. Sitting outside with a hot meal while watching the sea is one of those simple Irish travel moments you never forget. As we continue walking through the village, every turn feels welcoming. Small shops, local pubs, and colourful buildings give Dunmore East its unique personality. It's quiet but never empty, peaceful but never boring. Now we take a moment to enjoy the cliffside and coastal views. This is where Dunmore East truly shines. The cliffs overlook the Atlantic Ocean, stretching endlessly into the horizon. Waves crash below, creating a powerful yet calming rhythm. It's the kind of view that makes you stop talking and just watch. As our journey comes to an end, Dunmore East leaves us with a feeling of calm, beauty, and connection with nature. It's not just a village, it's an experience. Whether you're here for a day trip, a weekend escape, or just passing through County Waterford, Dunmore East is a place that stays with you. Thanks for watching this episode on Voyage. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more hidden gems across Ireland. Until the next adventure, travel safe and stay curious.